Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I went about to cut the base of this particular dress you're seeing, an high and low dress. It's so simple, so follow me guys. Alright guys, I had to switch to the floor at this time because the back, the table is too small, and for the father, the style is a kind of an high and low style. So I've gone ahead to spread it out. Like I explained earlier, I don't want to repeat myself because I don't want the video to be too long. And that's the front measurement. From there to here, give me 19, normally 17 for the front waist to the front length. The radius we calculated 8 inches. So that's demarcates, or that's the line that demarcates the front from the back. That's the front. And another radius from here. Then we took the remaining measurement for the back after taking out our half length, which is from the shoulder to the waist. And then I've gone ahead to draw the circle, 8 inches all around to get this waistline circle, which we're going to cut off. And then the next thing I'll be doing is, this is my first time doing something like this, although I've been doing some high and low that we just cut a 360-degree and then shape the front. But this girl insisted that she wants something high and low that would be like short in front and long to the back. So I thought to use this particular method. So let's see how it turns out to be. Like I said, this is 19, and on this part, which will be the side, this is giving me 21, of which I'm very sure the front leg shouldn't be the same with the side. Yeah, I guess shouldn't be the same with the side. Except it's gonna be just equal length to the side, and then it should go to the back. Really, if I use 19, the same thing as it we have there, then the back to go that way. Okay, let's see. I think I will go with that. I was thinking they shouldn't be the same, but let's just, I don't mind whatever the outcome is. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this 19 inches. I'll be measuring from here as well. 19 to just connect with the 19 we have in front. Okay, let's just go ahead and do it. I don't mind. Whatever the outcome is, it means I'm going to be learning something. If it turns out to be what we want, that would be nice. Definitely we'll get somewhere. We'll get somewhere. So my 19, I'm taking it to the side. That's the side. 19 inches, which I'm just going to connect it that way. So let's see how it turns out to be. Because I was thinking they shouldn't be the same measurement length because definitely the back is longer. And we have the back up to here, which is 37 inches. So we need to connect it to that part. Okay, maybe I'll just go like this. I'm following using my height to just guide it, guys. Yeah, no measurement for this one, just to connect it to that one. Can you see? I want it to be wider here on the side. I'll just add a little bit more, but let's just connect it this way and see what we're going to have. Let's see. This is like experimenting. Yeah, experimenting. You can always try out new style. Yeah, just see how it will turn out to be. So let's cut it out, guys. Then I'll place it on myself, on my body, and we'll see. So the midpoint, which is the radius, remember the radius we calculated 8, which is 24 for the waist. We multiply it by 2 because of the gathers. 48 the plus 2 inches sewing allowance. I mean for the zipper rather, make it 50. So we divide 50 divided by 6.28. That's the formula to calculate the radius. And then I'll go ahead now, guys, and cut the rest out. We're cutting for you that you're just watching me, we're cutting a high and a low dress, And then yeah, I've already done the upper part, which is from the shoulder to the waist, and I'm going to be uploading it on my channel. Guys, do well to watch it, guys. Yeah, this is going to be included in the full video. And if you're coming across my shorts on YouTube and you're just watching this, do well to watch the full video, guys. So this is what I'm doing. So let's see what's going to turn out to be. I can't wait to see it, guys. I cannot wait to see it. So for this one, I don't know if I should cut the same length for the lining. I'll see if I have to do that or just cut the lining that will not be the same of the same length. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to cut open here before I take it off the floor. Cut open the back. Remember, we've added our zipper already. This will be the back. You don't cut the front, just the back. Let me take this out. Can you see that? So we're going to slash open the back. So that's just the way. So then I will then go ahead again and fold it. I forgot. Before you take it out the floor somewhere, just along, you just make sure you notch. So after notching, guys, you make sure you notch the sides, and then I went ahead to just place it on the mannequin to see the view before I actually went ahead to cut the lining and then attach the base to the upper bodies. And this is how it turns out to be. If you have watched it to this level, please do well to like, comment, and share me out. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do that now. Subscribe to support your girl. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.